Hi, this video is about assets. An asset is a resource controlled, owned, or leased by an entity as a result of past events and from which future economic benefit are expected. It means assets have value and future benefit. Its original place is debit, so when there is an increase in asset is debited. When there is a decrease in asset is credited. Now we come to the classification of assets, which are current assets, non-current assets, and intangible assets. What are current assets? Current assets are those assets which are easily convertible into cash, like stocks, inventory, marketable securities, short-term investments, fixed deposits, cash and bank balances, debtors, prepayments, etc. Current assets are generally of a shorter lifespan. Current assets are also called liquid assets. Now, let's have some example and their original place in account. We say the current assets and original place in accounts. Cash in hand, the original place will be debit. These are the examples of current assets. Trade receivables, the original place will be debit. Inventory or stock, again debit. Prepayments, the original place will be debit. Marketable securities, the original place will be debit. Now we come to the non-current assets or fixed assets. Fixed assets are of a fixed nature, that they are not readily convertible into cash. They require elaborate procedure and time for their sales and converted into cash. They are also called long-term assets. Generally, the value of fixed assets reduces over a period of time known as depreciation. Non-current assets example with their original places in accounts. Let's see. Land, the original place would be debit in accounts. The building, the same debit. The plant and machinery, the original place will be debit. The furniture and fixture, the original place will be debit. And equipment, its original place will be debit. Now, what are intangible assets? Intangible assets cannot be seen, felt, or touched physically. Some examples are goodwill. We can see the examples are goodwill. The place will be debit again. Franchise agreement. The original place in accounts will be debit. Patents, copyrights, brands, and trademarks, so and so. These all are classified under assets because the business owners reap monetary gains with the help of their intangible assets. A company's trademark, brand, and goodwill contribute to its marketing and sale of its products. Many buyers purchase goods only by seeing its trademark and brand in the market. Thank you.